Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with video stuttering or lagging issues, as well as FPS drops and stuttering in video games. So some reasons of these issues are outdated, missing, incompatible, or corrupted graphics drivers, and Windows operating system updates are not installed. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run video playback troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters. And dito lang sa other and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung video playback. At dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung run. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And wait natin na ma-direct tayo sa help and support. And next step, so dito sa help and support ay makikita mo lahat dito yung complete information details, step-by-step procedures and methods na pwede natin gawin. So kailangan mo lang i-follow dito yung makikita mong mga informations para ma-fix yung problem. Alright? And then after dito sa help and supports and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to turn on the process video playback. Kung paano ba natin gawin. So same dito sa settings and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. At dito sa right side panel and scroll down. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung video playback. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa video playback. At yung pinakauna lang ito yung process video automatically to enhance it. So kailangan natin itong i-turn on. So dito sa right side makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So, i-turn on natin yan. Okay. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify graphic settings. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung graphics. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung graphic settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa right side panel and scroll down ka lang at makikita mo na dito yung all apps. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-locate yung apps that having problems. Okay, so select mo lang dito kung ano yung apps na may problem and then i-click mo lang siya. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung option. And dito sa kanyang graphics preference ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung high performance GPU graphics and then i-click mo lang dito yung save. Alright, so after dito and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to ensure that your display and graphics driver is up to date. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu and select mo lang dito yung device manager. So once na-open mo na itong device manager and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito lang sa ating graphics drivers ay kailangan natin itong i-update. So select and right click and i-click mo lang dito yung update driver. And then select ka lang dito sa dalawang option na search automatically or browse my computer and itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And the base drivers for your device are already installed. And next step, so close lang natin tong device manager. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix video stuttering and lagging issues in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.